In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your friend list on Facebook. For some reason, you want the list of your friends to remain hidden on Facebook. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Facebook homepage, navigate to the top right corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Proceed to scroll down until you locate settings and privacy and tap on it. Then continue to tap on settings. Under settings and privacy, when you scroll down a bit, you could see audience and visibility. Proceed to tap on how people can find and contact you. With a response to who can see your friends list currently is public, make sure to tap on it and then continue to tap on see all and proceed to select on only me. That is it. You have successfully hidden your friends list on Facebook. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.